दिल्ली वालों, गजब कर दिया आप लोगों ने। आई लव यू।
His popularity among the masses speaks for itself as Arvind Kejriwal is set to return as the Chief Minister of Delhi for the third consecutive time. Arvind Kejriwal is now a prominent politician in the Indian political diaspora and popular social activist. He was born in a remote village of Haryana. As a bright student from childhood, Arvind cleared the test in his first attempt and joined IIT Kharagpur in West Bengal, choosing mechanical engineering as his stream. After completing his degree, he secured a job in Tata Steels, but soon he left his job to pursue his true calling and began his preparation for the civil services. Arvind even worked with Mother Teresa at her Kalighat ashram for 2 months. He cleared the civil service examination in 1993 and joined Indian Revenue Service. He married his 1993 IRS batchmate Sunita in 1995. His social life boomed when he founded a movement called the Parivartan in 1999 to expose the fake ration card scam and assisted the citizens of Delhi in matters related to income tax, electricity and food rations. In order to focus more on social cause, he resigned from his job in 2006 and established the Public Cause Research Foundation. Kejriwal rose to popularity in 2010 when he associated himself with the prominent social activist Anna Hazare in 2010 while campaigning for the passage of the Jan Lokpal bill. Following differences with Anna Hazare regarding whether or not to politicize the popular India Against Corruption movement, he established his own political party called Aam Aadmi Party and contested in 2013 Delhi Assembly election, and his party won 28 out of the 70 seats. With conditional support from the Indian National Congress, he formed the government and was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Delhi. But just in 49 days, he resigned, citing his failure to table the Jan Lokpal. With the president's rule in place in Delhi, he contested the 16th Lok Sabha election from Varanasi constituency against BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi, but lost. His party again contested in 2015 Delhi Assembly election and swept 67 seats out of the 70 seats and formed the government. He again took charge as the 7th Chief Minister of Delhi. With his unique political views and zeal for public service, Kejriwal stands tall in Indian politics. He even backed the Raman Magsaysay Award for Emergent Leadership in the year 2006. Once again, a landslide victory against the highly polarized campaign of the BJP in Delhi polls has proved that Kejriwal is a politician here to stay.